In the cheerful town of Brightville lived a bubbly little girl named Annaliz. Everyone knew Annaliz because she always carried a bunch of bananas in her backpack. She ate bananas for breakfast. She ate bananas for lunch. And yes, she even ate bananas for dinner. I just love bananas. Annaliz giggled, peeling another one. They're sweet, yellow, and give me lots of energy to play. Bananas were healthy, of course. But soon, Annaliz began to feel a little tired of the same taste every day. She wondered if there were other foods that could make her just as strong and happy. The magical rainbow plate. One sunny afternoon, Annaliz visited the town's garden with her teacher, Mrs. Flora. Rows of colorful vegetables and fruits sparkled under the sun: red tomatoes, orange carrots, green broccoli, purple grapes, and juicy blueberries. Annaliz, Mrs. Flora smiled, do you know the secret to staying strong and healthy? Annaliz tilted her head. Bananas? Mrs. Flora chuckled. Bananas are wonderful, but our bodies need a rainbow of foods. Each color gives us different superpowers. Then she handed Annaliz a shiny plate with rainbow stripes painted on it. This is the rainbow plate, Mrs. Flora explained. If you fill it with colorful foods, you'll discover new strengths. Annaliz's tasty quest. Annaliz decided to try. She skipped off to the garden, ready to collect food for her plate. Red row, Annaliz picked shiny strawberries. When she tasted them, pop, her cheeks tingled with energy. Red foods help my heart stay strong, she cheered. Orange patch, she crunched on a sweet carrot. Crunch, crunch. Suddenly, her eyes sparkled. Orange foods help me see in the dark, she laughed, pretending to be a superhero. Green corner, she tried broccoli florets. They weren't as sweet as bananas, but after chewing them, she felt tall and mighty. Green foods make me grow big and strong, she flexed her arms. Blue and purple vines, she popped juicy blueberries into her mouth. Plink, plink. Her brain buzzed with ideas for new games to play. Purple and blue foods help me think and remember, she said proudly. Finally, Annaliz placed her beloved yellow bananas on the plate. And yellow foods give me energy to run and play all day. The Feast of Colors. With her rainbow plate full, Annaliz sat down for a feast. She mixed bites of strawberries, carrots, broccoli, blueberries, and of course bananas. Her tummy felt happy, her body felt strong, and her smile grew bigger than ever. When she got home, Annaliz told her family all about the rainbow plate. That evening, everyone shared a colorful meal together. From that day on, Annaliz still loved her bananas, but she loved her rainbow meals even more. She learned that eating different colors gave her the superpowers of health, energy, and happiness. And whenever she saw a rainbow after the rain, Annaliz would grin and say, "Thank you, rainbow, for reminding me to eat the colors of health." Annaliz clapped her hands and sang a little song, and soon all the kids in Brightville joined in. Red for heart, orange for sight, green helps me grow up big and bright. Blue and purple, smart and fast, yellow gives me energy that lasts. Eat the rainbow every day, strong and healthy, hip hooray. The forest animals even chimed in, chirps, squeaks, and giggles filling the air. From that day on, every time Annaliz ate her meals, she remembered the rainbow chant and shared it with her friends. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!